Hey everyone, Chandan here. AI is not killing tech jobs, it's rewriting the entire industry. 78,557 tech workers lost their jobs in just first quarter of 2026. And nearly 48% of those layoffs were linked to AI and automation initiatives. Sounds scary, right? But wait, what if I told you that that's only half the story? While companies were laying off workers, they were also desperately searching for AI talents. According to the industry reports, more than 275,000 plus AI-related positions remains open, and companies cannot fill them fast enough. So the question is, if the jobs are disappearing, why are the companies still hiring? Because we are not witnessing a job crisis. We are witnessing the biggest skill reset in tech history. The old rules are gone. The days of repetitive coding, manual analysis, and routine tech work are fading. And that's why entry-level tech jobs have dropped by 20 to 35%. But here is where it gets really interesting. People with AI skills aren't just finding jobs, they are learning more and earning more. AI skills now command a 17% salary premium compared to the traditional tech roles. Think about that. Same industry, different skills. Nearly 18% higher pay. And some roles are absolutely exploding. Demand for AI governance professional has increased by 150%. Demands for AI ethics specialists have gone up to 125%. And one of the hottest roles in tech today is forward deployed engineers. This role has seen job demand surge by more than 700%. Companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Cloud, and others are actively hiring these roles. But here is the real problem nobody is talking about. Companies don't have enough skilled people, not enough AI experts, not enough cloud architects, not enough cybersecurity leaders, not enough AI governance specialists. This growing talent shortage is projected to cost business $5.5 trillion in lost productivity. Yes, trillion dollar. And this is exactly what technology leaders are watching in 2026. Generative AI transforming software development, AI governance becoming a boardroom priority, cloud and data roles growing rapidly, cybersecurity demands accelerating, massive corporate upskilling programs are going on. Leadership gaps caused by shrinking junior hiring. Now here is the twist. Despite all the layoffs, despite all the AI disruption, the tech workforce is still expected to grow. More than 320,000 professional technology workers will need to be added or replaced every year. And by 2030, the global economy is expected to create 78 million more jobs than the number displaced by AI. So the final message, the future doesn't belong to the people asking, will AI replace me? The future belongs to the people asking, how fast can I learn AI? So my recommendation is learn AI, learn cloud, learn automation, learn cybersecurity, learn AI governance, because AI won't replace you. Someone using AI will. Follow and subscribe Tech Vengers and be a tech superhero.